Studies, Western Hemisphere, Week 14. I hope everyone is having a good week. This week is testing for the high schoolers on campus, so there will not be any middle school face-to-face time. So let's take a look at what you need to do this week. Take advantage of this light work week to get caught up if you're behind, or just mentally prepare, recover if you're doing some state testing. So if make sure you're always checking your grades to make sure that you're not missing anything, or that to see if I've left you any comments on how you're doing. On Monday, do the Edgenuity vocab for Central America, and then begin watching the videos. Take some notes, because at the end of the week I'm going to have you submit your notes. On Tuesday, review your notes from the Central America videos and vocab, and then take the quiz. On Wednesday, do the South America video and vocab, and then Thursday, take the quiz, and then Friday, submit your notes to me and work on getting caught up or relaxing if you are all caught up. So take a look at what those look like. Remember, for the vocab, you just need to type in the word and then listen to the definition and how it's used. Do that for each word. Looks like this one has 3 words. Then watch the videos. Remember, some of the videos have questions. You need to answer the questions to get credit for the video if you're not doing that, or if you're pausing the video and stopping, or if you watch the video and you stop it before you get all the way to the end, you might not get credit. So make sure that you are watching the whole video. After you do Central America, do the exact same thing for South America. Both of them have a quiz using the little blue puzzle tool instead of the green one. Remember, for some of these, you need to drag the answer to where it belongs. If you're not sure of what something is pointing to, then you can call and ask me, and I can try and help you with that. There are some drag and drop questions, some label questions, lots of labeling in this one. So make sure you're paying attention to the videos. The multiple choice. On question 6, it says choose all that apply, so there might be more than one answer. Question 7 is a drop down, so choose the proper one. Same with 8, and 9, and 10 is a multiple choice. After Central America, remember to do South America. Again, with this quiz, there's some drag and drop questions. You might need to make the screen full size to get some of the words where they need to go, in case you need to drag something up to the top. Otherwise, it might not work. Or you have to do some finagling by putting one in one spot, then coming over to the edge and moving it so that you can get to the right spot. So again, label questions. Lots of labels in this test. A few multiple choice. And then this question's a new question. You need to read the passage below and select all the items in the picture that are specifically mentioned. So South America can claim some of the world's greatest features, like Angel Falls in the Guinea Highlands is the world's tallest waterfall. So if you remember where that is, you would click on that, and that is how you need. So this one has a lot of little yellow boxes. You need to look through here and find the ones that you need. And just for a hint, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that are correct. So you should only be clicking on 5 of the items. So make sure you're paying attention to that. Another multiple choice. This one again is another drag and drop. Here I need a sentence from you, or 2. What does Tierra del Fuego mean, and how does it get its name? So that was talked about in the video. Hopefully you were paying attention. If not, go back and watch it again. And again, another label question. Again, you'll probably need to make it full screen, or yeah, make it full screen so that you are able to make it scroll on its own. And then a true false. If I watch the weekly video, Ms. Lindblom sometimes gives hints that might be correct answers to the quiz. So if you've been watching this video, you will hopefully know the answer to that question. This question will be extra credit. The quiz, I want you to submit your notes. You can take them in any format you want, and you can type them or handwrite them, or use a Cornell format. You can use the templates from one of the old other note-taking assignments, just kind of erase some of the other information and make yourself a new copy. And then either scan it or take a picture, or if you typed it, then you can put it in the submission box. And if you hand wrote it and you type it, that's another way to just help the information get in your brain by having 2 sets of notes. All right, that should be the end of this week. So if you have any questions, please let me know. And I think that should be it. Remember, my phone number can be found at the bottom of the weekly schedule. Click the late work form if you have any assignments you need to turn in. And then here's my email address. Remember, if you're sharing a Google Doc with me, don't use this email address. Use my Gmail. Same thing at jeffcoschools.us. Or even better, just share. When you go to a Google Doc, click share so anybody with the link can see it. You want to see what that's like, I'll do that real quick. If you come up here where it says share, click save, and then advanced options, and then you want to click change, and anyone with the link can view. Or even better, can comment so that I can comment on if you need to redo it for any reason. All right, hope you have a great week, and I will see you guys back on campus next week.